Hi everybody, it's Josh Pruitt Realtor with Pure Gold Realty. I'm here at 4703 Caprock in Travis Country. We got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,551 square feet listed at $449,900. Come check out this amazing backyard with beautiful live oak trees all over, wonderful deck, great for entertaining. You're going to spend a lot of hours out here. Inside, the kitchen opens up to the rest of the home, so it's a nice open floor plan. And of course, it's in one of the best neighborhoods in Southwest Austin, Travis Country. Remember to come down this Sunday 1 to 3 p.m., 4703 Caprock. And as always, if you or anyone you know are looking to buy or sell some real estate, please let your friends know about me. Call me, text me, 512-626-3192. You can always reach me, joshpruittrealtor@gmail.com, joshpruittrealtor.com, and then Facebook and Instagram, Josh Pruitt Realtor. I can't wait for you guys to come check it out this Sunday, 1 to 3 p.m., 4703 Caprock in wonderful Travis Country. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.